This here is Mike Gordiff. He's with Chatham County CNC, and this is his build for the past, he's probably started about 4 years ago. It's a 1994 Miata, and today it's probably about 95%, 90% not Miata. The only thing is Miata is probably the body, and everything else is custom made, it's hand built, and it's very unique. So this Miata here has a LS, V8 conversion, but the suspension, you look at the suspension, it's an outboard suspension rather than the shock normally would be down there. It's up here. So when the shock goes up, compresses just like a F1 car. And the rear end is the same way too. So here what you have is an inbound suspension, just like the front end. That's all custom made by him. And it's a very, like I said, very unique car. Hey Mike, excuse us. How you doing, buddy?
Hey, Gary,
So we just telling about your car here, and that you've had a project for what, 4 years now, right, running?
well, it depends on what state. This build, it was 2.5 years on and off, getting it to run. It was a complete strip down to nothing and rebuilt from scratch. The whole car got stripped down, everything got re-welded, everything got seam welded, recoated, and redone, and then the whole drivetrain got replaced.
Right, and everything is all custom, welding and lathe and all that.
A
lot of labor love of a project. And it's like I say, this is Mike Gordiff, Chatham CNC outside of Pittsburgh, North Carolina. So look him up. Hey, thanks, Mike.
Thank you.